Right, boys and girls, today in Afrikaans we're going to look at Bevele. That means commands or actions that I'm going to ask you to do. But because we have been doing good manners in English, in life skills, we're going to look at two words that we should always use in Afrikaans as well. So the first one, it's used twice on this page, is asseblief. Asseblief. And that means please. So asseblief is please. And then the other one that goes with please is yes, thank you. Right. So thank you in Afrikaans is dankie. So if you want to say no thank you, we say nee dankie. Yes please, ja asseblief. So nee dankie. Or if somebody gives you something, baie dankie, thank you very much. Or asseblief is please. So let's have a look at these actions. Right, if somebody says to you, and these probably would happen in class, staan op, stand up. Staan op, stand up. Say it with me. Staan op. Kom hier. Come here. Kom hier. Say it with me. Come here. Kom hier. Stilte asseblief. Quiet, please. So maybe the children are making a big noise and the teacher wants to start the lesson. So she says, stilte asseblief. Quiet, please. Say it with me. Stilte asseblief. Stilte asseblief. Quiet, please. Draai om. Somebody is turning around and talking to the person behind them and they're not doing their own work. So the teacher says draai om means turn around. Draai om. So say draai om. And this, I hope a whole lot of you recognize this from our little poems last week, our gedigies. Ek klap my hande. Ek klap my hande. So, hande klap means you are asking somebody to do it, so it's clap hands. Hande klap. Say it. Hande klap. Sit asseblief. Please sit. Remember, asseblief is sit. Sit asseblief. Please sit. Say it with me. Sit asseblief. And the last one. Maak die deur toe. Maak die deur toe. Close the door. Deur is door and toe is closed. So maak die deur toe, close the door, and they could all have please after it. Maak die deur toe, asseblief, please close the door. But read this with me. Maak die deur toe. Right, so now this is on page 39 of your Afrikaans book. And now I'm going to read them aloud in a jumbled order, and let's see if you can do the action. And then when I'm finished the video, you can practice reading them on your own out of your book. And let's see if somebody at home, mom or dad or granny, who's ever helping you with your home learning, can read them in a jumbled order, and then you can practice them by doing them correctly. And remember to say baie dankie when you have finished. Thank you very much for helping me. So let's start. And we're going to start with hande klap. So you need to do that. Hande klap. Yes. Clap hands. Next one. Maak die deur toe. You can pretend. Maak die deur toe. What did you need to do? Close the door. Sit asseblief. You needed to please sit. So you were standing up, you needed to sit down. Staan op. Yes, you had to stand up. So that would be the opposite. Staan op, stand up. Sit, asseblief, please sit. Sit, stand. Draai om. What do? Turn around. Yes. So you're probably sitting in class, turned around to your friend, but you're probably standing doing this, so you can just turn around. And then, kom hier. Come here. So you could say, kom hier, come here. And you could also say, kom hier asseblief, please come here. They've only used asseblief on two. So please. And remember, dankie, thank you. And last one, stilte asseblief. What do you need to do? You can shh. Put your finger on your lips and shh when that one is said. So now you can look on page 39 and you can practice reading these and practice the actions of them. Remember your manners words in Afrikaans, asseblief, please, and dankie, thank you. But even better if you say baie dankie. Thank you very much when somebody gives you something. Baie dankie. Baie dankie, graad 1.